Okay guys, another way to hang a pot over the fire by taking a piece of willow and heating it up over the fire. Once you get it nice and warm, can't get it too hot, not until it starts burning, it makes it a lot more flexible. And very hot, so your hands burn. Ugh. So just warm it. It will crack and pop a little bit, but it's only got to be enough just to hold your water pot or whatever. And then you can mold it into the shape that you want. Looks like we gotta warm it up a little bit more. Takes a little bit of time, but it works really well to hang your pots over the fire. So you're almost just like kind of making a knot out of a piece of willow. I know, looks kind of atrocious, but it does work. Cut the end of it off and you can hang your pot right here. That's good. All right, just cut that off. Move your brother-in-law's gloves.
They were dry. Yeah, the phone in my one hand there.
Yeah, I got it.
Try not to
Drop the phone.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. There's another really handy way to hang a pot over the fire, and all you're using is just a piece of willow. By heating it up in the fire, it really makes it so it's a lot. You wouldn't want to hang, a 30-pound cast iron skillet from that, but it's more than enough just to hang your little teapot or something over. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up by liking this video down below. If you're a new watcher, please click that subscribe button. See ya.
Yep, into the rope there.
Don't fall. Don't fall. Fall.